Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this pearl pour. Before we start painting, I want to tell you a little bit about the paint mixtures and ratios that I'm using today. If you're already familiar with that, definitely feel free to skip ahead to the painting part. The way I mix my white pearl paint is as listed here. You're welcome to take a screenshot of this, or you can also find this information in the description box. So to create the white pearl paint, I mix together 2 parts of Artist Loft soft body white paint, half a part of Deco Art satin enamels pure white, 3 parts of Floetrol, half a part of Liquitex pouring medium in gloss, 1 part of Golden GAC 800, and water. For the water, I add this last, and I add as much as is necessary to thin the paint so that no mound forms when the paint pours off a stick, and it pretty much disappears immediately as it pours back into the rest of the paint. I mix the products in the order that you see listed here, starting with the Artist Loft soft body white and ending with the water, which I add little by little until I reach the consistency that I just showed you. To create my colorful paint mixtures, I mix together 1 part of paint. I use either Artist Loft or Liquitex Basics paint. And I mix that to 2 parts of Floetrol plus 1 squirt of Liquitex pouring medium. I know that's not very precise, but it works. And water. I add enough water so that the colorful paint ends up being exactly the same consistency as that white pearl paint. I mix these products in the order that you see listed here, starting with the paint color and ending with the water. To get started with the painting itself, I like to paint the edges of my canvas white because I tend to get better results that way, and the edges of the canvas end up with good coverage even though the paint itself is very thin. With that ready, I'm pouring my white pearl paint mixture onto a portion of the canvas. I don't want the white pearls to pop up everywhere, which is why I'm only pouring it onto a section of the canvas. I'm layering my colorful paints in a little cup, starting with phthalo blue because I want that color to pour out last, and then I'm adding phthalo green, aqua green, and light blue. Now we're just going to pour that out. And then slowly and gently stretch the paint over the edges of the canvas. Stretching a lot of the paint off the canvas really helps the pearls to form. Now we just have to give it time for the pearls to form. They can form and grow for hours after you stop painting. I really like the colors in this painting, And I love how nice and big some of the pearls grew as well. This painting almost looks like the view from a plane where you can see the clouds below you, and in the opening of the clouds you can see the ocean and islands below. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you next time.